In this video, I'll show you how to submit VAT in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you just want to click the drop down for your business name. Now, under the drop down, you want to click on the second option, which is settings. And on the settings section, you want to scroll down until you find tax. Now, under tax, you want to click on manual tax rates. And from here, you can set a new tax rate by heading over to the left-hand side and click on New Tax Rate. Now, on Add a New Tax Rate on the tax rate display name, this is where you can add where the VAT will be. Let's say VAT on sales. And on the tax components, you can set this to be a VAT that is about 12%, which is usually in the Philippines. And on the right hand side, you want to add the percentage of the VAT. Let's say this is about 12. At the bottom, you can also add another component. So if you click on add component, you can add another one, but this is optional. And on the right hand side, you can also remove by clicking on X. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and right corner and click on save. And once you do that, as you can see on the bottom, we now have VAT on sales. It is also set to 12%. And on the left-hand side, you can even click on this box to check it. And at the top, you can even delete if this is something that you no longer want to do. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.